Baby, sweet November will tell us the story.
Hello, Team Random. I'm finally doing my fall tablescape for you all. So this is the stuff that I thrifted from the Goodwill. All this, and I'm gonna pick and choose what I'm going to use. I got my red to wipe as I go. But if you're actually gonna eat off the stuff, of course you want to use something that has sanitizer or something that sanitizes or bleach and all that. I'm not gonna eat off this stuff. It's just for decoration purposes only. And for this video, we use paper plates and paper bowls and plastic spoons. Anyway. So we're gonna get into it. Now this was the tray that I thrifted in one of my hauls for $6.99 from the Goodwill. So I'm gonna place this on here first, take this price tag off, the $6.99 price tag, show the price tag so they can see. $6.99. Hey, so you see that this was at home, Garden Ridge, whatever, $39.99. But I got it for $6.99 at the Goodwill. Look at the savings. So Christmas been gone, but I just left this stuff on here. Christmas is coming around again, so I took a lot of the Christmassy stuff out. I just left the shiny stuff in because my living room matches the colors that's in there. So this is going to go here. These are going to stay, but I bought these to put under these just because orange and fall. But these are the wooden ones are staying. So I'm putting these under these like that to give it a kind of fall color feel. And next I'm gonna see how I'm gonna arrange this stuff on there. I got this from the Goodwill and I paid I think $3.99 or $2.99. Price is not on it anymore, but it was in one of my hauls. It's from Gail Sanborn. The real retail price is not on it, but I'm sure it was more than $2.99. Either I'm gonna use this one, straighten it out a little bit, get it to look a little nice, and that's right there. And then I got these little birdies. They're not candles, they're just little birdies. I got them for 59 cents each. Take the little price tag off of those and put them beside that. Okay, so I got all these plates. I wiped in the bowls. I wiped them all down. Each bowl I think was 99 cents. Each little saucer I think was 99 cents too. These were 99 cents. These two plates and these two were $1.99 each. For some reason, the regular price on them was $25. Then it was on sale for $7.99. Then they had marked them down to $2. And then thrift store charged the same price that the store was going to charge for them. So yeah, I don't know what store they came from. Fruits Wall Plate or something. Yeah, I got these. I'm covering these up though with the bowls. What I'm going to do, these plates right there, and then one of these plates on each one of these ends. Move this out the way, side, and put the bowls. So the bowls are big enough to cover the fruits on the plate so it still can have a fall theme and not turn to summer. And then put these to the sides. And last but not least, I have these leaf little dishes. I could put candy, make them candy dishes. So I'm gonna put one right here, and then one on the opposite side, so you won't really be able to see it, but yeah, back. Just so people can reach in there and get mints or whatever I choose to put in them if I was to have like a real dinner party or something. Put breath mints in there, but I didn't buy any to put in there, but that gives you an idea. So this is my completed, got price tags all on the chair. Fall tablescape. I didn't use everything that I bought. I still have some stuff sitting here that I did not have to use. And the napkins I did not use because I couldn't find my napkin rings. But this is it. Let me move the table where it should be. The table is not in the right place. It's been moved. And this is it. fall tablescape. Hope you like it. See you next time, Team Random. Thumb up the video, subscribe. Thumbs up the video, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Lala Be So Random, and have a blessed day and be a blessing. Thank you. Love y'all. See y'all next time. And I'll come back in a second with a clip on how much all this cost. Bye.
And we're such a glorious autumn dream. Yes, it was. What a light gives the world to shine, to sing to one another. That together we